How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up Java and Visual Studio Code. So basically, after getting yourself the VS Code, you also want to download an extension pack. So just search VS Code Java extension on your web browser, navigate through the Java extensions for Visual Studio Code, and from here, click install the extension pack for Java. Now it will actually open up the extension path right here. So just click on install. And of course, right after, you could create a new folder or project if you want to. But generally, from there, we could then begin creating our Java projects or file the way we want to. But of course, you just have to actually finish up setting the Java right here. So just download the necessary files that Visual Studio prompted you with. So you have to complete all of these steps, which is going to be this one. Click next, 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 and then install. And now you have installed JDK. We could just click on the new file, and then let's name this project file.java. And simply from there, we are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.